Hello.
Unde merge?
Serbia, Bosnia, Croația, Muntenegru, Albania, Grecia, Bulgaria și înapoi în România.
Ok.
Hello guys and welcome here on the channel on TransALP Explorers. Now we try to make our way out from the city. Today is mid of June and we leave Arad, Romania. We start our new motorcycle trip. We are going somewhere in the Balkans. The initial plan was to go through Serbia, Macedonia, Albania and Greece. But now we saw on the weather forecast that in the upcoming days, the next 3 or 4 days, in that whole area, everything is full of rain. So we have to change a bit our plan and we are going to Bosnia and from there down to Croatia on the coast. There is a little bit more chance to catch good weather. So stay with us. We have made our way out from the city and now we are going towards the border with Romania and Serbia. And the interesting thing about this motorcycle trip is that we left without our camping gear. We want to stay only at accommodations and we hope to find a good price, maximum 30 euro per night. The TransALP is in good conditions now, technically. A few days ago I were at the CF Moto dealer from Arad, Romania. Thank you guys, Christy and Tavi, for all your help. I managed to change the bearings from the rear tire. I changed the oil. I use Eneos 10W40 since 2019 and I made around 60,000 kilometers until now. I am very satisfied with this oil. Also I changed the air filter, the coolant and the O-rings between the cylinder. If you want to take a look and watch this video episode, I leave a link in the description. It is on our main YouTube channel on Lucifer Videographer. And if you want to help us to grow this new channel, TransALP Explorers, please don't forget to subscribe. It is very important. And also to leave a comment, give us a big thumbs up. It helps a lot. Thanks.
Now we have already made over 70 kilometers and we want to stop before the border to buy something to eat or something to drink. We arrived at border between Romania and Serbia here in Lunga and it's nobody in front of us. Bună ziua! Figurează Fiat în 2017, nu? Da, știu. Da, am învățat deja cu el, numai nu toată lumea îl cere.
Majoritatea îl cere.
Da, da, da.
Mai ales la frontier.
Mulțumim frumos. Nu m-a permis acum. Sau lasă că poate mai avem nevoie. Okay. That was at the Romanian side and now we are going on the Serbian. Hello.
Unde merge?
Serbia, Bosnia, Croația, Muntenegru, Albania, Grecia, Bulgaria și înapoi în România.
Ok.
And that was all. Now we are in Serbia and we must find something to eat because we didn't eat anything. Yes, the old story with my drive license. I lost it in 2017 in Romania on the famous road Transfăgărășan, and since then I have this little problem at the border crossings. I must to show them every time, almost every time, but that's it. I am used to it. Here they are working on the road and we have a little bit of stock traffic, but it's okay. Very good that they are working on the road and make for us a brand new asphalt. And we stopped somewhere in Serbia. I don't know exactly where we are. Somewhere near Novi Sad. We have made 130 kilometers since we left Arad, Romania. And we stopped here at this supermarket. Some salami and bread and one cola as usual. Okay, we are on our way, and maybe you have noticed already that we have someone new with us. This Action Cam 3 from DJI. I bought it now in the last minute. I bought it 1 day ago and I didn't manage to make too much test with this camera, so the sound was not so great until now because I set the microphone level at -10 dB. Now it's at -12 dB, so I hope it's a little bit better. I am very happy with this camera until now. I am very curious in this trip how it will be performed, and if it is everything fine, maybe I will purchase another one. We are still in Serbia, and for today we have made our first half distance from our route and to our accommodation in Bosnia. We have still 170 kilometers to do. And this is the entrance to Novi Sad. And we stop here in this shell to a cappuccino and to drink a cola. And now we turn on the very nice road. I think we are going through Fruška Gora Park, and from 27 degrees and sun we are now on a nice windy road with shadow and 22-23 degrees. A really nice area. We like these twisty roads, forest and shade. Very good temperature. A biker here. We hope that our day it will be not turned into a rainy day, because we have still 110 kilometers to do today. We hope to remain good the weather. Oh, what a nice view. And we have some gravel road in the middle of the town. But it's quite okay, the road. It's not bad. They are working here. They prepare the road probably for the asphalt, and they clean the side road. They are working on the road. They put sand in the middle of the road. On the right. Ah. We have to wait. It's a little bit sandy for us, but we will go on the car tracks. It's okay. And after 290 kilometers we arrived here at the border, Serbia with Bosnia and Herzegovina, and we have approximately 20 cars in front of us. And now we go over the Drina river and we go to the border with Bosnia. Hello. And now we are again officially in Bosnia-Herzegovina. I think now we are, I don't know, 3-4 times in Bosnia, and it went everything smoothly. And we stopped a bit here on the side road to drink something and to rest 5 minutes. A small accident here. We had entered now here in Brcko district, is the town where we will stay tonight, and we have only 3 kilometers and we will arrive to our accommodation, the Sun Apartments. It looks pretty cool, this town, with all center, with this riverbed here. Very nice. We stopped here in this gas station, Gazprom, here in Brcko, near our accommodation. 175,000 kilometers. And this is our apartment. We have our own bakery and our own market, and I guess we have here a nice parking spot. We have the room number 8 here upstairs at the Sun Apartments. It looks very nice, new, clean. We like it, and we paid here 25 euro. It was, I think, 22 or 23, but we left here 25.
Let's go.
Wow, and this is our room. Nice, modern and clean.
Really nice.
Nice.
Before we do anything else, shower and other things, we have to go 2 kilometers from here to eat something. We found a pizzeria. We hope to be everything good, the food and the price and everything, so we come back and we finish the day. And we had changed our plan. At the place where we found the pizza, we cannot pay with the card, so we found this burger place. Okay guys, we are back at our accommodation. We are ready to sleep. It's 10:30 p.m. and it was enough for today. We made 340 kilometers. It was a long day. We left a bit late from Arad, Romania at 12:30. We had a very great weather. We made some tests with our new camera, with the DJI Action 3, with my microphone in the helmet, a little bit clipping the sound, but I think I managed to make this whole thing from edit. And tomorrow we stay in Bosnia, in the north of Bosnia, somewhere around Banja Luka. We want to search for accommodation.
It's the only area without rain.
Because in the south, at the coast, somewhere Dubrovnik, Naim, in that area, it is a disaster. See us in the next episode. Please don't forget to help us to grow the new YouTube channel, this TransALP Explorers.
Like,
Subscribe,
comment, and subscribe.
and leave us a comment. Thank you guys for your support and for
See
watching.
you.
Bye.